If you feel like Allah is silent, if you've been making dua, but nothing seems to change, this message is for you. You wake up every day carrying a heavy heart. You smile in front of people, but inside, you're tired, you pray, you try, you stay patient, yet the pain is still there. And sometimes, quietly, you ask, Ya Allah, did you forget me? There are moments when life feels unfair, when others move forward and you feel stuck. You see people succeed while you struggle just to survive, and Shaitan whispers, your dua is not being answered. Maybe you're not good enough, but listen carefully.
لا يكلف الله نفسا إلا وسعها.
Allah does not burden a soul beyond what it can bear. Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah 22286. This verse is not just words, it is Allah speaking directly to your heart. If you are being tested, it means Allah knows. Your strength, your tears are not ignored. Your patience is not wasted. Your pain is not unseen. Sometimes Allah delays what you want, not to punish you, but to protect you. What you ask for might break you today, but what Allah prepares for you will heal you tomorrow. When Allah is silent, He is not absent. He is working in ways you cannot see. The nights you cried alone, Allah was there. The prayers you whispered quietly, Allah heard them all. Even when you feel forgotten, Allah is closer to you than your own heartbeat. Trust His timing, trust His plan, because what's written for you will never miss you. If this video found you at your lowest point, know this. It is not a coincidence. Allah has not forgotten you. Your story is not over. Keep going, keep trusting, keep making dua. Allah is with you.